Hello and welcome. Today I'm taking this Scania to Invasion Bay, which is over there on the other side. I left my Volvo behind because it's a bit rough, to be fair. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the water. So, we are just turning off towards Lowdale, farther on towards Invasion Bay fish farm. As you can see, I'm not driving my Volvo today, and the reason for that is that Invasion Bay, that's a very risky destination, and there were some incidents over there while going over the river, so I just don't want to risk it. So I thought I better take the spare lorry, but hopefully things will go well. And there will be no drama. As you can see, it's very tight. I always like the challenge if things will end up smoothly. I was on wagon and drag on a six-wheeler. I remember I was delivering fish feed up to this fish farm. And oh, phone goes. That's not the right time. Yeah, I would like to also send best regards to my wife for checking on me. So it can be tricky. Now we are coming to a very nice farm, I have to say. Plenty of deer. Coming to first the river, but I have to say, fortunately it's not bad today. It's not a bad one. The first one is pretty easy, but you would be surprised how high water can be. Over here. A bit rough. Say that bumps on this road are just unreal. As you can see, that's a big bridge, and I have to make this turn over here, go over the river. So it's not bad today. However, I'll have to take a shunt. It's not bad. I've seen worse, to be fair.
Okay. There we go. I want to take a shunt.
So we are flying now towards the fish farm. Flying towards the fish farm. Maybe that's perhaps over exaggerating. I'm not flying, but I'm crawling towards the fish farm. Rather, I should say. We have the fish farm. Oh, come on. Hill start is a nice thing in my Volvo, and this Scania, that's a hill start. Now, going out, that would be a bit more difficult. That's where Tridem would be very handy with its turning circle. It's raining, but didn't make any difference as yet. I'll have to take a wide approach. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
A few moments later.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, reversing back. Make it now. That tree makes it awkward. Stop beeping. Okay. Oh, I won't get by that tree. It's awkward. Awkward turn. They've cut that tree, but I don't know why they didn't just get rid of it completely. Oh, power steering also seen the better times. There we go. Oh, this extreme. Not expecting any drama. Here, nice and easy. By the way, I've got 491 subscribers. If you could help me to reach 500, oops, that's not the first time to talk about it, but help me to reach 500 subscribers milestone. That would be very, very appreciated. Clutch overloaded. Surprise. It feels good when it's hard, when it's challenging, when it's difficult, and you get through. That's it. I'm nearly back on the main road. That was a challenging trip, but good fun. Thank you all for watching. Like always, remember to stay between the verges and under the radar. I will see you on the next one.